Welcome to Secure Tots. Your home. Let's make it secure. Here, we will teach you to install your magnetic safety locks on your cupboard doors around your kitchen to rein in your little chef. The Secure Tots magnetic safety lock comes in multiple variations, but they are installed and function identically. The 8 cupboard door set includes 8 magnetic safety locks, 8 safety latches, 2 magnetic keys, 2 magnetic key holders, 32 self-tapping screws for added security, plus our bonus magnetic baby on board sign for your vehicle. The 4 cupboard door set includes 4 magnetic safety locks, 4 safety latches, 1 magnetic key, 1 magnetic key holder, and 16 self-tapping screws for added security. Clean and dry the area where you want to install the magnetic safety lock and safety latch. Test to make sure that the door is not too thick, ensuring the lock works correctly. The magnetic key works on doors up to 1.5 inches thick and should lock and unlock freely. Install the safety latch first by removing the adhesive tape cover backing and applying it to the inside of your cupboard. Install the magnetic lock next by removing the adhesive tape cover and holding it in position while closing the door. For a perfect fit, adjust the magnetic lock before pressing it firmly into place. Once satisfied with the alignment, close the door and test it using a few gentle pulls to ensure the safety latch and magnetic lock connect and lock securely. Then use the magnetic key to release the magnetic lock and open the door. Flip the locking switch on the magnetic lock to adjust whether the system locks each time you close the door or stays unlocked for easy access. Leave the locking switch in the unlocked switch up position for 24 hours after applying the adhesive to give the system time to adhere. Or you can use the included self-tapping and no drilling required screws for maximum security. Included with your magnetic safety lock set is the magnetic key. To store the key, remove the tape backing from the storage receiver and place the key in a place that is out of reach for your little chef, but close enough for you to access it when needed. Also remember that as the key is magnetic, it can easily be stored on most metal surfaces around your kitchen. From our family to yours, we thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Secure Tots product. For more information and great products, please visit us at www.securetots.com.